Audio Jungle.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So we have done many automobile reviews, but today's video is very special to us. So I'll tell you the reason why it's so special. So in this video I'll be making a walk around review of my own car, which is this 2009 Honda City 1.5 i-vtec. So here is the key, and it doesn't come with extra remote, so you get the buttons in this. So silver color. So among Honda City, this is the third generation and it is favorite for most of the people even now compared to all other generations. So this is the top second model, which is a SMT, and above this there was a VMT option which had some additional features other than this. And also there is one below variant before this, which is E variant, so that is completely basic. So now I'll just give you the walk around and tell you what are the features it has. So in my next video I'll be giving you all the details on what are the things you should check while buying a used car, and particularly why we selected this Honda City for our budget. So starting from the front, so compared to other generations, this looks very bold because of the front three grills. Initially it was coming with the silver color, but later they started with a chrome finish. And coming to the headlamps, it gets a halogen headlamp with turn indicator and completely halogen unit. And in this variant there is no fog lamp, but in the V variant, that's the top variant, they used to give the fog lamps here. A big Honda logo at the center. So coming to the tire dimensions, it's 175/65 15-inch tires, which is a standard size which comes from the company, and these are steel wheels. Only in the V variant they used to give the company fitted alloys, and they have this wheel covers fitted along with the nuts, so it doesn't come out easily. So there is also a turn indicator on fender, but not on the mirror. The ORVMs are not auto foldable, but there is an electronic adjustment only for the mirrors. So in this variant, handlebars are body colored. So this is how the rear looks. It's actually very sporty from the rear. So this city badging and this is a SMT, Honda logo at the center, and here comes the i-vtec badging. So these are the rear lights. Even though it's quite simple, it looks very stylish, and this is completely halogen unit. In some angles this part looks like a spoiler, so that is also a very good design from Honda in 2009 itself. And there are no reflectors, nothing on the rear, but these are the parking assistant sensors which are installed aftermarket, and this is a towing tag which we have installed on our own, so you can check out that video for the tutorial. We have provided the link in the description. So here is a petrol lid and has 42 liters of fuel tank. So here is the pole antenna. So we are planning to install a shark fin in my further videos. So just one small problem in this Honda City is the low ground clearance. Even though it's enough, but sometimes it gets a problem with the huge speed breakers. So before entering into the car, I'll just show you the boot space. So you can access the boot from the driver's side seat and as well as through the key from here. So it gets enormous amount of boot space, around 5 or 6 liters. Also a light and a spare wheel under this. So now let's get into the rear seats. So this is how it looks inside. So they have given the beige color. This is a very good combination along with the dashboard. Actually, we are installing our towel seat covers on this, which will be coming in my next video. So these are not adjustable headrests. So you get armrest and 2 cup holders inside that. These are actually pillows which comes from Honda. So power window control, and there is some space. So there is no chrome in this, just they have given the plastic material. There is a company fitted speaker, and at the center there is a bottle holder. You can keep just 1 liter bottle inside that. There are many positives in this car. So one positive among them is this leg room. So even the front seat is at the back, you get a lot of leg room. So it's very good for the tall passengers like me who are above 6 feet. And also there is no central big hump here, so 3 passengers can easily accommodate. So there is a magazine holder only on this left side seat, and there is nothing on right side. There is only one light given at the center, handlebar on both the sides. And this is how the front dashboard looks from here. In this time it looks outdated, but in 2009 it was very good. So actually a very good design for that time. Finally we'll get into the front driver side seat. The door is quite opens in wider way. There are few controls here. So this is for left and right mirror controls and the power window controls, and the driver side gets one touch auto roll down option, and here you get some space and also bottle holder here and company fitted speaker. This is one positive here also, that 2009 itself they used to give height adjustable driver seat. So here you can easily adjust, and this for accessing the boot, and this for engine bay, and these are pedals, so it's actually manual variant. Here also they have given some small space to keep stuffs. Headlight leveler, and you can add some additional switches if you want here. Some space here, AC vent. So this is how the instrument cluster is. So completely analog unit, and you get one small screen for multi information. This is a fuel indicator, speedometer and RPM meter towards left, and you get small multi information display which shows the odometer, trip, average mileage and distance to empty. So this is how the steering wheel is. So it feels very good to hold the steering wheel even compared to the present cars. So they have nicely designed this Honda logo at the center, and also there are audio control options on the left side. So this is how the horn sounds. And in this car there are front two airbags, so one is inside this and the other one is placed here. So this is actually a electronic power steering wheel. This is called EPS, which only comes with tilt adjustable option. So towards right, indicator and headlight controls. Only it has front wipers, so wiper controls on left. So this is hazard light switch and two AC vents. This is the company fitted audio system. So inside this you can access the aux and USB ports, and there's a small display here. So manual AC, so AC controls, 12-volt charging port, and there is some space here, two cup holders and a 5-speed manual gearbox, handbrake, and there is a armrest inside which you get some space. Rear view mirror and two sun visors. On the left you have vanity mirror. Nothing on this side. So there is a glove box which is quite big enough. So at 2009 itself, it used to come with most of the luxury features. So as you can see, this seat belt is also height adjustable on both the sides. It's also a cool thing. Now let's have a look on the engine. Let's open the bonnet. This is how the Honda i-vtec engine looks. So people call it as dual characteristics engine because it is for both kinds of people who want mileage as well as power. If you just run it on lesser RPM, it gets good mileage, and at higher RPM you get very good power. So this is a 1.5 liter engine which delivers 118 PS and 146 Newton meters of torque. For me, the average mileage in city as well as highway ranges from 15 to 20 kmpl. So it also depends on how you drive the car. Start and show you the sound. Off. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and also let me know in the comment section below what you feel about this third generation Honda City. Also, you'll be getting more details in my next video, as I said before. For more such videos, subscribe and also follow us on Instagram. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.